Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brody the Ford Taurus Fan 2001 here. Today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2002 Chevrolet Impala. LS, I believe? I don't think it's an LS, I believe. I don't think. It doesn't say. Today, I'm going to give you a full in-depth tour of the Impala. We'll start the engine, show it off, go through the performance details, show you a bunch of features on the inside as well as the outside. Also, I do have a 2003 Impala on my channel, if you want to check that one out. So, without further ado, let's fire it up, let her run. Silver exterior with a mint gray cloth interior. Put the wheel down. Ooh, there we go. You guys want to check out a silver 2003 Impala? I have that uploaded to YouTube already, so please sure to check it out. Let's fire it up. You also have eliminated ignition. Vehicle has not been running a long time, so that's why it's kind of running a little rough. Fires right up. You got a 2-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. Smooth steering with sport grips off to the side. It is leather-wrapped. It's got a 5-speed automatic transmission. Low gear selection. Your parking brakes right there. Let's turn on the headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. Walk around the outside. I think this car has not been running for a while, so that's why it's kind of running a little rough. Fog lights work? I don't know. There's your tires. There's your exhaust. It's a little loud. Ooh, she starts up with a little bit of smoke. Pop the hood. Also, this was made in the October of 2001. So this was a 2002 model year. So this got the 3800 Series 2 V6. Don't know where the back. There's the battery. Ooh. That felt kind of sweet. Close the hood. Ooh, she's very windy out. Ooh. Hit that squeaky door. Let's shut these off. So anyways, your fan speed, turn that off. Your different zones, your temperature. It's very chilly out. Oh, has been smoked free. That's good for a car. Storage, your cup holders, your power door locks. Ooh. There we go. Got the window up. So that's your turn signals. I'm not gonna rev her though, because she's loud. Electric seats, your power mirrors, your window locks, the back windows, alrighty. So, I'm pretty sure that's it for the interior. We'll shut it off. Oh, door kind of closed a little bit. Hope you guys, that comes to the conclusion. Hope you guys enjoyed the in-depth tour of the 2002 Chevrolet Impala. Stay tuned for the next review. Goodbye, everyone.